we were checking out places on the map of Guatemala City and just trying to get an idea of what to see next. And this kind of little dot popped up saying Robot Park. So luckily there were a couple photos that people had submitted kind of writing a review for the park. So this is where we come to check out Robot Park. And it's in kind of an odd place, isn't it?
Yeah, it's basically in a shopping mall, a shopping centre. Wasn't really what we expected. It's almost even better. It's really, really small. But yeah, we took we checked out the bus online because it's not right in town. So we had to take Linea 18 all the way out here to the end of the line, and then we kind of shuffled about and found our way. So the shopping centre is called Portales, and you can't miss it. You'll start to see like these little robots. But yeah, it's really cool. So again, it's not huge, but there's enough little kind of pathways, and it's all hidden in like bamboo, and so there's these like bamboo groves, and you walk through pathways, and just when you think you've seen it all, you'll spot something else. And there's a peacock walking around too. Yeah.
A couple ducks as well, and there are carp and turtles in a little pond as well, and a couple like hippo art installations there too. And you can feed everything here. They have little vending machines that distribute like little pellets to feed everything. So where is this, by the way? You think it's zone 17, I think it's zone 18. It's kind of on the cusp of the two, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, if you find zone 17 or 18, but definitely zone 17, and you find that Los Portales shopping centre, it's right there. It's on the grounds of the actual shopping centre. It's not a separate park at all. And the other thing that's actually really cool about this, it's absolutely amazing. There's just all these lovely little seating areas laid out here. Again, in these bamboo groves. Oh my gosh, that's a peahen. It's two peahens.
Ah, all right.
So we've seen the peacock, and now we've just seen the two peahens walking around.
Three of them.
Three. Jesus,
my
at this
gosh.
point, they'll just keep appearing. It'll be like 90,
It's like they've been released.
95.
Let's swing the camera around,
Yeah, you'll
check
see
that out.
them down here. They'll be appearing.
And just strutting around like they own the place. They probably do. Oh,
Yeah,
there you go.
Shit, as long as they don't come up here and tell me. So you've gotten to see the peacock and his heron. Now, as long as the heron stays down there, they'll be
Yeah.
grand as far as I'm concerned. But yeah, there's these gorgeous little seating areas that are, oh, they're just lovely. You'll see them in the video. There's even one of them that's in like a little kind of a shed, a lean-to. That doesn't sound very nice, but it's got a chandelier hanging out of it.
It's like a little grotto.
A grotto,
There you go.
yeah. A grotto sounds a bit better than a shed or
Yeah.
a shack with the chandelier. Yeah, it's just, you know, if you've got a bit of time on your side, you're in Guatemala City, it's worth the bus trip out
GC surprises.
yet again.
We have plenty of other Guatemala videos to share with you, and we're going to leave our Guatemala playlist at the end of this video. Until then, here's a sneak peek at the Guatemala videos you're going to find on that playlist.